Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to add signature in Outlook. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead and create a new mail. Okay, and what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead and start adding the person that you want to send that email to. Okay, let's say I want to add myself. Okay, gmail.com. Okay, basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to add this email address and I'm going to just type the topic, which is hi, for example, and I'm going to just type the email. And after you finish the email, you're going to see right here the tools at the top. Just go ahead and click right here. You're going to see the message, right? Click on it and basically you're going to see right here signature, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead right here and click signature. You're going to see pop-up window signatures. Click on it and your window will pop up for you, and then you're going to go add or edit signature name, and you're gonna add the signature name, right? If you want to add address, for example, this is your street, yada yada yada, and the zip code, and your name, for example, right? And then basically hit save right here. Okay, and that will be your default default signature. Okay, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.